Patia. The happy men of Samoa do the cooking. They go fishing. Tonight they share with exciting Sigo Pata Pati, the slap dance. Why the happy men do slap dancing? Because of the mosquitoes. Learn from the men of Samoa how to get rid of the mosquitoes.
Go, 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 go.